$1, 3 million in 1 year is the average home price increase in San Francisco. Here's what it means. The city's housing market has essentially become a ticking time bomb, waiting to unleash a wave of unaffordability that will leave many of its residents reeling. The immediate consequence is that people are being priced out of their own homes, forced to seek shelter in surrounding cities or even states. And it matters now because the situation is rapidly deteriorating. Can you imagine being a lifelong resident of San Francisco, only to be told that you can no longer afford to live in your own city? The invisible force behind all of this is no mystery to anyone paying attention to the city's tech economy, with companies like Airbnb and Uber having a significant presence. But it's the lesser-known private companies that are really driving the market. San Francisco is home to some of the most valuable private companies in the world, and their employees have been quietly accumulating and increasingly cashing out fortunes. These companies have been on a hiring spree, with some of them increasing their workforce by as much as 50% in the past 2 years, and this has led to a surge in demand for housing. The city's housing market has lost its mind, with the median home price now standing at $1, 4 million, a whopping 23% increase from just 12 months ago. The employees of these private companies are willing to pay top dollar for homes, with some of them offering as much as $200,000 above the asking price. This has created a ripple effect, with homeowners in the area seeing an opportunity to cash in and selling their properties to the highest bidder. What happens when the average person can no longer afford to buy a home in the city they love? The technical facts of the matter are that the housing market in San Francisco is experiencing a perfect storm of high demand and low supply. With only 500 new homes being built in the city each year, and a population growth rate of 10%, the math just doesn't add up. The city needs to build at least 5,000 new homes per year just to keep up with demand, but this is not happening. As a result, the prices are skyrocketing, with the average price per square foot now standing at $100, a 30% increase from just 5 years ago. The employees of the private companies are not just buying homes, they are also investing in real estate, with some of them buying up entire buildings and renting them out to their colleagues. This has led to a 25% increase in rental prices, making it even harder for people to find affordable housing. Did you know that the city's housing market is so competitive that some people are offering to pay 6 months' worth of rent upfront just to secure a lease? The real impact of this is that people are being forced to make some tough choices. They are having to decide between paying rent and paying for healthcare, or between buying a home and starting a family. The city's homeless population is on the rise, with a 17% increase in the past year alone. And it's not just the people on the streets who are being affected. The small business owners, the artists, and the musicians who make the city so vibrant and diverse are also being priced out. What happens when the character of a city is lost due to gentrification? Tomorrow morning, you might wake up to find that your favorite coffee shop has been replaced by a luxury condo complex, or that your favorite park is now a construction site. The consequences are far-reaching, and it's not just the residents of San Francisco who are being affected. The city's economy is also at risk, with a potential loss of $2 billion in revenue if the situation is not addressed. The single most surprising insight from all of this is that the city's housing market has become a self-sustaining loop of unaffordability, with no end in sight. As the prices continue to rise, more and more people are being priced out, but the demand for housing remains high. What will happen when the bubble finally bursts and the market corrects itself? Will the city be able to recover, or will it be too late? Follow for daily AI and tech news and stay up to date on the latest developments in the San Francisco housing market. The question on everyone's mind is, can the city find a way to make housing affordable again? Or will it become a ghost town of luxury condos and empty streets?